Okay, it's taken about 15-20 minutes to get the beets nice and tender to where they should be. I think they're ready. I've done glazing on both sides. They look like they are well done and soft. I'm going to prep the plate with a little bit of goat's cheese. So we'll take some goat's cheese. I'll just do a bit of a smear on the plate. I did want to actually put some of this on the grill too. Let's get that going also. We put a little bit of oil on the spice. Put that on the grill. Turn it up a little bit high. Get that roasting. It'll look nice finishing off on the plate. And then the beets. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little bit of the strawberry glaze on here as well. So we talked about the benefits of having strawberries any time of the year, and the beets. If you're pregnant, we know that folate is a very important part of your daily intake while you're pregnant, so you'll get that from the strawberries as well. Can you guys see the bunnies behind me? There's like animals all over my feet. It's funny. Okay, get those charred just a little bit. Put that on the side of the plate for some decoration. And we will put our grilled beets on the plate, shiny side up. Oh, they look amazing and they smell amazing. How's that look? Okay, knife and fork. I can't wait. They're nice and tender. Beautiful char to it. I'll get a little bit of goat's cheese as well. It's probably hot, so I've got to be careful here. Make this. You'll love it. See you next time.